Hello and welcome to our course about SpriteKit game development for iOS. I'm looking forward to teaching you about the SpriteKit framework and then creating an amazing game together. We will create this game from scratch, and it will be quite similar to the popular Super Mario Run game by Nintendo. For those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Timothy Meixner. I'm a full-time student, a self-employed iOS developer and a co-founder of Room Academy. I have been teaching on Udemy since 2015 and I could already help more than 10,000 satisfied students to get started with iOS development. This course is about game development. You're going to learn how to create an amazing game, similar, like I said, to Super Mario Run. And while doing so, you will get to know the SpriteKit framework. And what I want to stress is that our ambition is not to only provide you with copy and paste code, but with a greater understanding of the language Swift. And in this case, especially the SpriteKit framework. So that after taking this course, you will be able to create your own games and make your ideas come true. And the best part is, you will have a fully functioning game by the end of this course. So, to make sure that we achieve our goal of helping you understand what we are doing, rather than just copying it, we're using the first part of this course to give you a crash course about SpriteKit, important definitions and all of the building blocks that we are later going to use to build our game. We're going to have an in-depth look at the scene editor and especially the SpriteKit tilemap node, which we can use to design our game right here in Xcode with minimum coding necessary. After making sure that we understand what we are doing, we're going to use our knowledge to build our game from scratch. And a few important things before we get started. You should have Xcode installed, since it is the software that we are going to use to develop our game. And in many lessons, we provide you with downloadable resources. For example, the current Xcode project or other resources such as graphics or sounds, which you can use for whatever you like, including your own apps, which you can then publish. And that's all for now. We are ready to start with the course.